Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of what many consider the best rolling cones on the market right now. The colorful king-size pre-rolled cones. These cones have been making waves, promising a smooth and enjoyable smoking experience. Let's see if they live up to the hype. These colorful king-size pre-rolled cones by Benopop are not just your average rolling papers. They come in a vibrant array of colors and are designed to burn slowly and evenly, thanks to their excellent material quality. Whether you're a seasoned smoker or just starting out, finding the right rolling paper can make all the difference. First off, let's talk about the design. These cones are crafted with care, ensuring each one delivers a consistent burn. The W-shaped tips are a standout feature. They effectively reduce wasted material and make rolling a breeze. Plus, with 100 cones per pack, you're definitely getting your money's worth. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The material used in these cones is chosen specifically to ensure a slow, smooth burn. This means less harshness and more enjoyment with each puff. Whether you're using these for personal use or sharing with friends, you can expect a reliable burn every time. The colorful options add a fun twist to your smoking session, making them a hit at gatherings or parties. They've earned a solid reputation in the smoking community for good reason. Well, the colorful king-size pre-rolled cones stand out for their vibrant colors and reliable burn. They offer a unique blend of style and functionality that's hard to beat. While there are other options out there, these cones have carved out a niche for themselves. To wrap things up, if you're looking for the best rolling cones in the king-size category, you won't be disappointed with Benopop's colorful king-size pre-rolled cones. They deliver on their promise of quality and convenience, making them a favorite among smokers everywhere. Whether you're a casual smoker or a connoisseur, these cones are worth checking out. If you've tried these cones yourself, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy smoking.